Panasonic S5 II and 2X. This is the Tilta half cage. Here's my S5 2X. Let's unbox this and then put on the half cage. Here's the cage, half cage itself. Let's get some close-up shots of this. Comes with its own tool. You have 1/4, 20, and 3/8 screw holes down here. This, I believe, is Arca Swiss compatible with the base. Here's for the battery to release. There's some rubberized material on the bottom. And I think there's some rubber on the top here. Really good metal. Feels like it's very well built. Oh, it has a S5 and S5 2X dark engraving right there. That's nice. And there you go. People were complaining in some reviews that I read that this does not come with NATO attachments. You can't do a NATO attachment here, and that's because they just left this open, so you screw in your own, or you got to get your own NATO attachment up here so that you could put top handles. Let's see what this comes with on the bottom. I think this is the main screw that goes under the, yeah, this is what attaches to the camera. This looks like a cable security to go on the side. I don't know if I'm going to need that because I don't put on HDMI cables that often. Okay, let's pop this in here. Oh, I like that metal sound. Oh, I gotta release this first. Let's see, can I do everything with the included tool? Let's find out. It's magnetized down there. Oh, it's just a coin. It's basically like in place of a coin or a flathead screwdriver. There's not really a Allen key. So you are gonna need this. I wish that included this into that tool. So I gotta release this thing here on the side. Let's do that. Okay. And now let's put the cage in. And I think this goes right over there. Right? Yeah. There you go. Locks in right there. Okay, and then now let's put on that bottom screw. Alright, that's tight. Put that tool back, magnetize it to the bottom, and here you go. I'll put this on if I need it, but it goes, see the two screws, goes right there. And this is looks like an HDMI and the USB-C protector, or the holder, so that it doesn't tug on the ports here. That's right there. And up here, yeah, plenty of clearance so that you can have your mic and your headphone. All your jacks are open. And I like this half cage. I mostly got the half cage just so I can mount Arca Swiss on different tripods. Otherwise, a low profile, and oh, look at this. There's a little bit of a gap. Look at that gap. Does that bother you? There's really no way to secure that more in there. Battery opens up fine. I don't know if I like this gap. That's a big gap. But everything else is pretty tight to the body. So it has that one screw, and then looks like this side piece that goes on to the camera strap area that secures it on the top. I think this is pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Low profile, but you can still accessorize it. Here's a cold shoe up there. Could put a handle for a rail. Oh, let me get that. Let me see if a handle to the rail attaches there. This is a small rig handle, but this is NATO. Let's see if it slides on. Nope. This is not NATO rail compatible. Oh boy, that's a bummer. It could have been. Could have easily been a NATO rail, but it's not. So if you have these NATO rail mounts, not gonna work. So what I'm gonna have to do is screw in a NATO rail little base here and up here so I can put the handle on. Otherwise, can't really do much with that. But that's fine. It was only I think under $40, brand new. So, I'm okay with that.